So in our today video editing class, we are going to be learning how to come out of a crack wall. That's what we're going to be learning, which is very, very easy for anybody to do. You see, you can go into the crack wall or you can come out of the crack wall, depending on how you want it. All right. Go ahead and click on your CapCut, then click on new project. Now select the first video. All right, that's you can see that's my first video whereby I jumped as if I appear. So bring that in, that first video. Now play the video to that place that you are knocking and you are waiting for the wall to break so that you can enter. Then you pause. Now you can see I've paused from that place where I want to enter. Then now click on overlay, then add overlay. Now bring in the crack wall now to that place, then add it. Then now if you add it after adding it, properly place it. Sure, you have to properly place it, which is what I'm doing right now. You can see me turning it. Then you properly place it very well. You have to place it very, very well, okay, so that there won't be any mistake. Now after placing it very well, so what you're going to do now is go right and look for remove BG. You can see now, so go right and look for remove BG. Be careful, all right? So click on remove BG. Then now because we're using chroma key now to remove that green background, so click on your chroma key to remove the background. You can see just shifting it up, simple. So you can see now, you can see this is going to look like normally this I look like, you can see. So now export this particular video. So after exporting it, then bring it back in again. Now after bringing it back in, then play it to that place where the wall crack, then pause, then go and look for freeze. Now click on freeze. So because when you click on freeze, automatically the freeze will snap that place. You can see the freeze have snapped that particular point. So now that place that I snap, I'm going to drop it down. So I will look for overlay, then click on overlay to drop it down. You can see I'm dropping that place down. So I've dropped it down. So I will stretch it now to the end. So that picture now that I snap, I will drop it to the very end. So I've dragged it to the very end. Now, so the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to be doing custom remover. I want to remove the background now. Sure, you understand of that down one. So I'll look for remove BG, then click on custom remove. So when you click on that custom remove, click on that quick brush and brush the parts you want to keep. Is the place I'm brushing now. So you can see that's the part I want to keep. So I'll brush it properly, then check. So now you can see if I play the video now, watch what will happen. That place that I keep now, before it was showing, if I pass it will show, but now it's no longer showing. You can see this is how simple you can do this type of crack wall editing. So in case this is the first time you're seeing my video, I have many interesting videos that you can watch. All right.